Okay, back here on a test drive. I'll try to get it up to freeway speeds. The truck runs and drives phenomenal. Shifts great in every gear. I will not hesitate to take this truck from New York City to back to Idaho. Runs like new. Handles down the freeway, I mean, nice and tight. This truck was never abused, just driven as a normal car. Never took it off-road, never used as a work truck, so runs and drives like new, seriously. I hope all these pictures and videos were helpful. If you have any questions you'd like to ask, feel free to give me a call on my cell, 208-989-7272. Everything works on the truck. Lights, gauges, horn, windshield wipers, all that stuff. Thanks for your time and interest, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.